Okay, it's my 97 Toyota. Took the alternator off, but can't get it out of this thing without removing this joint right here. This joint right here. So let me know if this is a bad alternator based on the noise.